All right, what's up, guys? All right, so let's go ahead and do the independent practice from today. All right, it said for each of the following two quantities in problem 1 through 4, which has the greater magnitude. Now, use absolute value to define your answer. All right, so looking at number one, it says $33. The absolute value of $33 is 33. All right, and the absolute value of negative 52 is 52. So therefore, 52, negative $52 will be the greatest absolute, we have the greater magnitude. Here we have negative 14 feet and 23 feet. If we do the absolute value of negative 14, it'll be 14. The absolute value of 23, it'll be 23. Therefore, 23 feet will be the greater magnitude. Number three says negative 24.6 pounds and negative 24.58 pounds. All right, so we do the absolute value of negative 24.6. It is 24.6. This one is negative 24.58. The absolute value of that is 24.58. Therefore, we know that this is the same thing as 60. So therefore, this will be the greater magnitude. All right, and then we have the absolute value of negative 11 1/4, which is the same thing as 11 and 1/4. Then we have the absolute value of 11, which is the same thing as the absolute value of 11. Is 11. So therefore, negative 11 and 1/4 would have the greater magnitude. All right, looking at number two. It says the absolute for the problems 5 through 7, see if they're true or false. If false, explain why. All right, so it says the absolute value of a negative number will always be a positive number. So we do an example. Let's just say the absolute value is 6. It is 6. Therefore, 6 is a positive number. This is true. All right. The absolute value of any number will always be a positive number. If we take a negative number and say the absolute value of negative 3, the answer will be 3. So this is true. All right. This says a positive number will always have the higher absolute value than a negative number. If I take the absolute value of negative 47, that'll give me 47. If I take the absolute value of 6, it'll be 6. But you can see that my absolute value of a negative number is higher than the absolute value of my positive number. So this is false. Okay. And the reason is because it doesn't matter what the number is, either positive, my bad, either positive or negative. All right, let's look at number 3. All right, look at the bank account transactions listed below. Determine which one has the greatest impact on the account balance and explain. So we look at A, it says a withdrawal of $60. We look at B, a deposit of $55. And then if we look at C, a withdrawal of $58.50. All right. So we know that the absolute value of 60 is 60. The absolute value of, or negative 60, because it says withdrawal. All right, the absolute value of a positive 55 is 55. And the absolute value of negative 58.50 is 58.50. So A would be the correct answer. And the reason is because it has a higher magnitude than the other.